Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We have the Riviera alloy wheels, as you can see just there, all in excellent condition. The wide arch kit as well. We have the grey exterior paintwork, daytime running lights. We have the front lower nudge bar. There's a look at the front end. Making our way around to the passenger side then, you'll find the side steps along the bottom. Grey door mirrors and door handles. Black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails. We do also have the rear canopy, the truckman canopy. Rear parking sensors with a visual display and also a reversing camera. You have the tow bar just down here as well, as you can see. And here's a look at the rear end. We have the Ranger stickers as well. Taking a look inside of here then, if you just open it up like so, then you'll find we have a decent amount of space for whatever you may need. As you can see just inside there, if we take a step back. Putting this back up then, and then if we make our way around to the driver's side again, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find the half leather interior. We have the contrast of the black and the orange, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the storage behind the front seats, brushed metal door handles and also electric windows. We have the same half leather interior for the front, WILDTRAK logo as well embroidered just there. Both front seats are heated, driver's seat is electrically adjustable. We have the electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, automatic lights on the wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Now just take a seat inside, then you can see we do have the dashboard in front of us, two digital screens either side. So if we just turn the vehicle on, then you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the dashboard, along letting us know about the fuel level. So we can get different features. We can control using the left screen, using the left side of the steering wheel. As you can see, we do have the entertainment, we have the navigation and also the phone connectivity. On the other side, we control it on using the right side of the steering wheel. As you can see, we have the digital speedo. We do also have the other options and the trip computer as well. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the right hand side, volume buttons on the left. Main screen just here in the centre, which is touchscreen. So as you can see, we do have plenty of features on here, such as the sat-nav navigation. So if we just press onto there, you see the map pops up. We have the audio options as well for all the different audio. We have the radio stations. We also have the Bluetooth audio and the CD player. Climate control just here as well, where you can adjust the climate control, heated seats and also the air conditioning. Phone connectivity for making phone calls. We have the mobile apps as well. If we go to the settings, you can see even further options and features on here. We have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also have the ambient lighting as well just there. Moving further down, you find the climate control again just here. We've got the ice cold air conditioning and the heated seats as well on each side, as you can see, all working as they should do. Two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports. We have the traction control button and the hill descent control. The 2-wheel and the 4-wheel high and low settings just there with the automatic gearbox. Put it into reverse and you find the parking sensors and also the reversing camera. Put it back into park just like so. We have the manual handbrake, cup holders and also a armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next to delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DCB TDCi. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Now throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, we've got the volume button with the function buttons for the digital dash on the left hand side, and we've also got the cruise control and speed limiter with the function buttons for the right hand side of the digital dashboard also. In the centre we've got the satellite navigation with all the other functions which you will have seen on our website. We've also got the dual climate control, we've got the heated front window and the heated rear window. We've also got the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for those summer days. Now when you wake up on that wintry morning, you can also put the heated seats on. Now onto the seats, we've got the half black leather with the orange cloth with the orange stitching, and we've also got the nice little touch of the WILDTRAK embroidery in the center of the seat. And these seats are very comfortable. Now I'm just going to be taking a right hand turn into the industrial estate in a moment, where I will perform an emergency stop. I'm just going to let this vehicle pass first, and then as we take the right hand turn. So as we go in, we'll just perform in 3, 2 and 1. Into reverse, you can see we've got the rear reversing camera just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If you've got any other unanswered questions or queries on this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.